Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm gonna let you know the ways to use the Chime Credit Builder card to improve your credit. So as you can see that they mentioned to use this Chime Credit Builder to improve your credit, you could follow the steps. Now first thing, you could fund your account. That means move money from your Chime Checking Account to your Credit Build secured account, so that you could do this manually or automatically using your Move My P. Apart from it, you could also use a Chime Credit Builder card anywhere that Visa is accepted. Apart from it, you could also go ahead and pay off your balance each month on time. Now, you could do this manually or automatically using the safer credit building features. Next thing you could do is Chime will reward you on time payment on three major credit bureaus as well. Now here are some of the tips for building. You need to avoid overspending, limit credit injuries, do not max out your credit card, pay your bill on time, and set up auto pay for certain accounts. So this way you'll be able to use the Chime Credit Builder card to improve your credit. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.